If you want to scan a QR code on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can use the QR code scanner in the control center or quick settings. Usually you can go to the expandable area, and by default you should be able to find the QR code scanner somewhere in here. So if you find it, you can just tap on it in order to open the scanner, and you can point at the QR code, and we might be able to scan it and open the link. Well, we can open it, we can copy it, and we can share it. There we go. Besides that, you can also use the camera app. In the photo mode, if you point at the QR code, let's see if we can actually get the code. There we go. As you can see here, we have the generated link. We can tap on it in order to immediately open it in the browser. And in case QR code scanning does not work in your camera, then you want to go to the settings of the camera. And then in here, we should be able to find scan QR codes option, which of course must be enabled if you want to use it. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.